Yeah, Abron, this is Abron's the boiling water bath, or you can boil the water also, or you can do it up to bit better. It should not be used above 90 degree or 95, because once it goes above that, the boiling water will be there. This is a stainless steel. Outside body is stainless steel, and the top is also, inside is also stainless steel. When you have to use it, fill it the water up to this level, and then you can put the test tube stands and other. All the things should be inside the water, and whatever is the test. Here we have the one chamber is there, it is there. Below it there is a one thermostat is there, and water heater is there. It should always be dipped in the water. Now I am just showing you, this is only for demonstration. So water is all cleaning should be done after every 100 hours of use. So minimum this much level of water should be used. So this lid is also stainless steel. Now I show you the working of the thermostat. It's very easy. Now you see this is a temperature on off switch. This is a main switch. I can switch it on. This indicates load. Load means the heating is going on. Heater will start working. If I now see this heater is working, and the heater is working, this will be also indicator here. If I want to set the temperature, this is set temperature. You can see this is set temperature. I can press it, and then this I can increase it. This means increasing. Here it is a plus point. I can increase it, make it 60 degree. It goes fast if you keep pressed, and then slowly I can push it and make it 60 degree. I am now putting it. Now I enter this. So once again 6 and 6. Now I set it back. Now the set temperature is 60 degree, and inside temperature is 38.2. This is at increasing, and the speed will go on increasing. So this is a very easy system. Digital PID control, temperature control is there. And we have got the other thermostatic water bath with a stirrer, and another water bath without stirrer is also available, and these are paraffin baths. Please visit the other videos and subscribe to our channel, and abron01@gmail.com and www.abronexports.com. Thank you very much. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.